Okay, here we are. Here we are. How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is your boy, your friend, Crown King, and I'm just gonna have a quick video where we're gonna go through what I'm looking at this week as far as Battle of the Currencies, and we'll see how these play out throughout the week. Okay, but before we get started, I want to let you all know that you can just remember to sign up for your 3 to 5 years account. It's totally free. This service here trades your Forex broker's account for you. So whether you can trade or not, it's a good service to have on the side. They can grow and flip your money, hence the name 3 to 5 years, because the plan is to have its clients and members financially free 3 to 5 years from starting the service. Just sign up and let them do the work for you. It's pretty much better than it's better than a lot of services out there, and it's free. Okay, another thing with these new videos, I'm trying out a new system that I created called the Forex Map System. So this is going to be the MyFxBook demo account where you can see all the trades that I'm going to take using this system. Just comparing with the videos, and I'll put a link at the end or in the comments, the description. Okay, put a link in the description to this and to my page as well. This is me, Crown King, your boy. Come here, read some information about the 3 to 5 years. If you go to this link right here, it'll take you to a splash page showing the benefits of the service. But this is my MyFxBook profile as well, and I'll share this link also. Okay, but we are here to go through what we're looking at for the week. So with this Forex Map System, what I do is I use the Fibonacci. I use this indicator. I map it up with the 4 hour. Using these other indicators right here. So I'm going to make videos where I explain how to use this system with these indicators. Most of these indicators, if not all of them, are free online. You just got to know how to set them up. So what I'm going to do is, if anyone wants this particular trading strategy or system, all I would ask for you to do is sign up for the 3 to 5 year service and fund your account. The minimum is $350. That's not going to me or nobody. It's going straight to your broker account where you can trade it. Where they will trade it for you. And from your initial deposit, you can put smaller increments or more. But future tense, anyone that wants this particular setup and how to use it, it's pretty much, I'll give it to you for free. I just want you to sign up for my free service, or for the free service that I'm promoting, which is the 3 to 5 years trading service. Okay, with that said, let's run through what we're going to look at for this week. I'm placing buy stops buy stops or sell stops if I see a setup. Alright, y'all can see that. Well, this one is kind of giving us a signal. Nothing is for sure until time passes when it comes to these indicators, because these things will retrace. I mean, once they set in place, they are set in place, but before they set in place, they will retrace, and you just have to know how to use them based off your own knowledge of the Forex markets as well. But I'll get into that when I create training videos on how to use this system. But for the most part, when it comes to Fibonacci, most people that does the Fibonacci retracement strategy, a lot of them know that around the 0.618 level, the markets tend to reverse. So what I do is on my daily, I look for market reversals around the 618. Okay, that's part of the strategy. So starting off, we're looking at the Euro USD. I see a nice setup on this. So again, this one is it is out of strategy because it's not reversing at the 618 level. But again, sometimes this particular indicator, it retraces and flip-flops sometimes. That's why I really like catching trades at that 618 level. But for testing purposes, I'm trying this one out, and this is a demo account. So this week I'm looking at the Euro USD, the Euro Australian, the Australian dollar, kind of turn around right before that 618 level. The Australian dollar versus the Swiss, turn around right at the 618 level. It hasn't given all the signals, but it is looking nice. It could shoot up, you know, could shoot up and just skyrocket some more, and all this will just retrace. So it's just about waiting, placing sell stops or buy stops, and in this case a sell stop. If it does go in, if it does trigger my sell stop, I will place a stop loss around this area, this level right here. So that's that. Keep this on since I placed an order. Same here, reversed at the 618. Kinda got the signal right here. Reverse. So this may fall through and trigger. And if and when it does, I'm gonna place a stop loss above this area here around 63891. It's on the Australian USD. This is all technical analysis, okay? This video is not about Forex signals or none of that. It's all about testing out this Forex system and documenting it on MyFxBook. If you like what you see, leave a comment and give me a holler, and we can get it popping. This is Federal Forex Profit Group. Let's keep it moving. So I placed this was the sell stop. You see it went above the 618 level even in the past. Went up, boom, boom, boom. Came down to that 50% level. Shot back up above that 618. And here we are. So signals were in place. I placed a sell stop. It triggered. And there we go. Stop loss. If it bounces back, I lose 63 bucks on the demo. GBP USD reversing as well. At least it looks like it is. Anything is possible with this Forex stuff. Same situation. Place the sell stop. $618 level. If it triggers, stop loss here. Keep it pushing. GBP Swiss reversed at the 618. Signal 1, signal 2. I could have placed a sell stop here, but I got too many open already, and I'm not trying to blow this demo account since I'm making this public. Don't want to look crazy. So, educational purposes. Not signals. These are not signals. Double top in the 618 zone above it. This one isn't quite ready. Well, I'm not gonna say that because you see, yeah, I saw that. It's gone. It's not permanent. This indicator, all these indicators retrace. But what I would do here is, place a sell stop. Let's do it. Volume 0.01. Okay. Placing it at 1.74803. which is this number here, and place. Oh, let me do it yet. And there we are. That was the GBP CAD. United States dollar versus the Norwegian krone. Reversing at the 618 level. Again, it could just fall straight through it, or it could go up. So 50-50. It's been ranging for a good little while on this 4 hour. Just looking at that. This whole little range. It's been ranging between the 618 and 50% level. If I was to put a stop loss, buy stop here. Oh, I did put a buy stop here. Yep, I will put it at this 50% level because but here I'm not too sure. Even though it didn't close above this level. Got one more for the week that we are looking at. Sell stop. Again, this isn't strategy. This is similar to the US dollar trade I took, or order that I placed. This is definitely for testing purposes. This is reversing at the 236 level. A lot of times these drop to this 618 level. So for testing purposes, if I am looking for a target, I would be targeting this area. Signals are in place. We just have to wait and see. Good Lord willing, I'll be updating the channel with another video related to these pairs this week, or the ones that we get in and stay in or close out. Again, you can see all of the results and everything for this particular account at the MyFxBook page, into which you can find the link in the description. Okay, till next time, hold it down, keep the good Lord first. Let's keep it pushing. Peace.